Hello everybody. So I have gotten my February kit and Caboodle kit for February. This is like chewed up. Okay, it's an oval. I don't think I have ovals. So this would be my first oval. It's a very, very pretty flower. I like that. And then we got like a sage green. What are they calling it? Fern color wax. And then we have, let's see, raspberry glimmer is lilies, daffodil spray, sending Easter blessings. That's what it looks like. Yeah, sending Easter blessings. And there's something else there. It says something, I thought. It says something, you brighten my day. You brighten my day. And the gold foil. Okay, and then for the stamp and die, clear stamp and die, we have the lily arch, and these are the stamps. It says Happy Easter, Spring Greetings, Celebrate New Beginnings, Live Life in Full Bloom, Thanks for your friendship, you are in my thoughts. And then we have the dies for all of it, for the words, all of it. Nice. Color that in, and oh my gosh. And then we have a stitched floral card front that looks pretty. It's gonna take up your card front. It's full. It is full. So that's pretty good. It shows you here. Yeah, that might be a good one, actually. For better press, we have a hummingbird flutter into spring. 4 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're kind of smaller, but this will cut out the hummingbird. That's kind of cool, right? And then here for a bonus, we've got a different hummingbird and die to cut it out, and some more words, but I can't tell what it says. This is the better press. And then the small die of the month is the rainbow bouquet. Yeah. Leaves and stem and that. It shows you I put it together here. So that's cool. Large die of the month is basket. This is the one with the little bunny. The back end of the bunny. Let's see. That back of the bunny. Happy Easter. This is so cute. I love it. Love it. Okay, this is the embossing folder of the month, but is it 3D or regular, I guess, because it doesn't say 3D. And it's swirling blooms, and there's like these flowers all kind of running into each other, kind of. So that's cool. And then this one is the 3D embossing, And it is Easter egg hunt. And I guess these are all Easter eggs. So that's cool. That might be kind of cute. Colored in. And then we have our spring stencil backgrounds. 4 stencils and 1 mask. Let's see what we got. So this one for top and bottom, and then you can mask part of it if you want. This would go with that one. Pretty good. And then this one, I don't know if you can see what the stencil looks like. Let me get a colored piece of paper here. So you could see they're like the swirling flower kind of, sort of. There's little leaves. I mean, that leaf goes into that flower. In here, some more flowers, all bunched up together, pretty. And then this is the one with the circle in the middle. And then we have the top and bottom one, and the mask would mask that off. All right. So this is a February kit, and I haven't got to use it all of January. But for some reason, I was really looking forward to this one. I can't wait to do that bunny in the basket. Yep. All right, so there we go, the whole kit and Caboodle for February. I think it's gonna be a good one. I'm so anxious to get my glimmer machine. It still has not been sent. I don't know. They say it's in fulfillment or something, I don't know. It's on Scrapbooking Made Simple, so we know their track record it takes a long time. All right, everybody, if you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.